Alright y'all, listen, before this video even began, I want y'all boys to do me a little favor. In the comments, I want y'all to leave hashtag BandLab or hashtag reacting to BandLab. I believe leaving the hashtag in the comments will give these videos right here a little more traction and get more people listening to your music, bro. Come on, bro. Like, you want more people listening to your music, right? Even if you leave a regular comment, hashtag BandLab or hashtag reacting to BandLab rappers. Come on, let's get it, bro. But listen though, if you want me to react to your song in the next video, this is all you have to do. Subscribe with post notifications on. Whenever you put my post notifications on, make sure it says all and hit the first link in the description of this video. It's gonna send you straight to my Instagram, and then send me the link of your BandLab song to my Instagram, and make sure you're following me, because you don't follow me, I'm not reacting to your song. Simple. I said I'm back with another BandLab reaction on 3. Yes, sir. But listen though, if you want to be my next part, all you have to do is subscribe with post notifications on. Hit the first link in the description. It's going to send you straight to my Instagram. All you have to do is send me the link of your BandLab song to my Instagram. That's it. I don't know why people make it so hard, so difficult, bro. Just send me the link of your BandLab song. That's it, and I'm gonna get to it. And if I don't get to your video, if I don't get to your song today, bro, don't get mad. It's not but part 3. God dang, bro. Not like it's the end of the world, nothing. But listen though. Also, share this video with people that love listening to music, or your friends, or put it on your Instagram story. Also, when you post it, tag my boy. Hey, you gotta tag me so I can see it. Oh, come on. You gotta tag me, because that's to help me help you with choice. Cause look, bro, people like your song, you create a whole fan base. That's it. Also, when I tell you to send me a song, don't send me no garbage, bro, because if it's garbage, it's garbage, bro. I'm not gonna be biased on none of that, bro. If it's garbage to me, it is garbage. It might be good to you because you made it, but to other people, it's gonna be garbage. But anyways, bro, let's get to the video. Let's get it. But anyways, bro, we got our first rapper for the day, bro. I ain't gonna be reading nobody's names today because, bro, like I said, I don't know how to read. When I say I don't know how to read, I really mean that, bro. I don't know how to read. But anyways, let's get to the banger. If it's a banger.
Hey, I'm on your block, I don't give a fuck. Dead here to get the shooter and don't get stuck. Big Glock at the whammy, hell yeah, it ain't jamming. Dance on the beat like I'm Michael Jackson. Yeah, we be ready for all that ass. We told them sticks, just for fashion. You a boy, go get the napkin. I work hard, I be trapping. Boy, I get sales in traffic. Get off that dumb shit, don't be an addict. We gon' blow up and make it classic. This chopper so strong and they get the yapping. Little boy, don't be dumb, don't get the yapping. Then the chopper gon' get the action. You don't be trapping, start all that cap. You not gang, so I'ma get the taxi. All these capo boy don't be in the act. That nigga move sticks cause he ain't want action. I'm a dope boy, so I'ma get the yap. You can't do nothing, so it's gon' get tragic. I'ma subtract you till I make it mad. When shit hit the fan, everybody stay quiet. When shit end, it's gon' end in a riot. Thief in the night, Michael Myers. If I see you, boy, your head gon' divide. You ain't gon' come back, no multiply. You thought it was fun, now your family crying. No fine shit, I'm a menace in disguise. My bad boy, I ain't mean to terrorize. Little nigga ran when he seen the fire. And just like a fry, you getting fried. We don't got time for all that fight. What? You thought I was playing, dude? Chopper get to spin like it's saying NBC. Yeah, I been a good kid, boy, you know me. Yeah, I got your bitch, yeah, she feeling me. Start hating on me. Bullet get to flying like it Call of Duty. Go ahead and log off the dude. You hang with bitch, them niggas some group. Them niggas some groupies, let me get the tool. It's just a little Uzi, I call it a tool. I gotta chill, I gotta stick it and move it. Time is up, I gotta flip it and move it.
Okay, bro. Hey, BandLab be going crazy. I can't be count, bro. I can't be lying, bro. These BandLab rappers be harder than mainstream rappers. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Like I said, bro, this a banger, bro. This a banger, bro. I'm gonna come in with some different today, bro. Okay, listen, the first artist, bro, he went bang. It was a banger. He made it. Oh, it's a banger, bro. Y'all boys gonna check him out. But anyways, we got a second artist. Let's get it. Oh, he's sounding a little bit different, then. Boy got a whole sample in this song, man.
Goofy nigga tryna run off with bad. That 40 on me, so it's making me sad. That Kobe on me, so I jump out the jet. That rollie on me, why these niggas be mad? She eat me up, cause she think I'm a snap. I kill a nigga if I jump out the bed. So that I cannot cover, I really don't do that. Only one time you can take your pussy back. She a bad girl, I gotta beat it Michael Jackson. Like Fago, my niggas take you all the map. I can see all your lies right through your fitted cat. Got a dyke, but I gotta keep me up and shit ain't caked up. I gotta go ahead from the back. Doing her makeup, I'm still gon' fuck her till she I been baked up, I got better stuff up in the stack. It's paper, now we done better on his ass. Don't give a fuck what that nigga wanna do. His murder a mystery, call it Scooby-Doo. I call me like 4, that's 2 times. Tucking down, now he up in IC. That butch at a high nigga IC. And we used to rock fake, now we IC. Turn that nigga up out like a CP. And I be up and shot at 31, 2. I'll pull out that traffic, go do. Feeling like pop, cause I'm shaking up the wood. He want an early death, we put him in his tune. I blew up the world, I see 4. Nigga not even black, he real live and cool. That nigga is gay, he be putting numbers. I'm a doctor that killed, just call me Dr. Dude. We gon' get that boy gone on Sunday after trying to flex with a pedo. You really getting good. Just give me the rings, you gon' really watch me zoom. They told me to stop, but I'm finna just presume. RP all the guys finna see y'all soon.
But hey, if you want solid, I mean, this is a bang. Okay, listen, the first and second rapper, that one is stupid. Now we got a third rapper. Hopefully go crazy, yo. But y'all gotta listen like, okay, y'all boys pay attention. Listen, bro. Whenever you send me a song, make sure your song is harder than everybody else that I react to in the video, because it's like they your competition. So make your song harder than everybody else in this video or the next video I'll put you in. So hey, send me a bang, don't send me no nonsense. But anyways, let's get to the video. Hey, bro, party. Hold on.
I saw last year I was broken, now I'm flying on a plane. Your homie gon' get shot out, they be reaching for the chain. I fucked that little bitch from the back and she didn't even know my name. And I can never trust a bitch, cause at the end they all gon' change. Every day I wear designer, I'm not rocking no shit plain. The last nigga chopped the rob, he got his ass turned to a string. Standing on that block daily, tryna fucking catch a play. If I catch a eye black and I'm gon' send shots at his face. I can never trust a soul, cause at the end they all gon' change. So many problems that I go through, y'all don't even feel my pain. Every day I need my Zaza just to keep me fucking tame. Let's rob a goofy, take his guap, put this pope out to his brain. I told that little bitch get on top, she gon' listen to what I say. I slugged that little bitch fucking out, then I bust up on her face. Switch the lanes up in this collar.
Alright, listen, bro, the song was actually 3 minutes. I did not know that it's 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Like I said, we ain't listen to a movie. Come on now, we won't listen to like a 1 minute song. Come on now, we ain't listen to a whole show. Come on, let's get it. But anyways, I was a banger. My boy dropped the whole banger. Like I said, it's on BandLab. Y'all think it sounds garbage, bro? Y'all let me know. Also, y'all leave some comments, goddamn. Y'all don't just send me your song without leaving a comment. God damn. Okay, first, second, and third rapper went stupid. Now we got a fourth rapper. Let's get it.
Young kid, let's go.
Goddamn, when is it gonna start, my G?
Diamonds dancing on my body, look like chaos rings.
Okay.
I'ma go
Boy,
Super Saiyan, please don't talk to me. All these snakes all around me, I can't trust no one. All these guns all around me, I can't trust no one. I remember we was broke, we didn't have no funds. Now I'm rich, counting bands, all up in the school. Who is you? I'm the man, bitch, I got a plan. I'm the man, who is you? Bitch, I got a plan. Bitch, I got the plan. Hop up in the rave, get top kind of bands. Bitch, I'm antisocial, I can't make no friends. All my friends left me, yeah, they left me in the end. Diamonds dancing on my body, look like chaos rings. I'ma go Super Saiyan, please don't talk to me. All these snakes all around me, I can't trust no one. All these guns all around me, I can't trust no one.
Alright, listen, bro. My boy was singing on this whole. You ain't stupid. Y'all already know, bro. It's so big. Stop playing with him, bro. But anyways, you on our next artist, bro. I don't know what number you on right now. Let's just get it, bro.
Gang shit, nigga. Gang shit, one nigga. From the juice, nigga. Talking about nigga.
He from the hood for real.
Yeah, gang shit, no lame shit, don't make me bust a brain. Catch him like without the bullet ripping through his veins. Ain't how you supposed to be a gangster, swerving nigga lane. If it's from Johnny Dane, I snatch his fucking chain. I ain't really gotta say too much, I'm going out with a bang. Shout out all my East niggas, 43rd be the game. All my niggas really towing 9, you know that's what we slang. If he dissing no game, watch his act get hit up with them things. Where that nigga at? Where that nigga be? What's that nigga street? We gon' pull up, yeah we be, and put his ass straight to sleep. Niggas say he bang west, you better use a fucking vest. We aiming at his fucking head and put his ass straight to rest. I don't give a fuck, hop out with that fucking tech. Leave that nigga stress, I'm treating the bitch like a dog, I told that hoe go fetch. I'm so quick to pop out, don't you push me to the fucking edge. Slide out through the block, yeah, cause we want them niggas dead. Hop out with that leg, really get it spraying on their ass. I want the bad, I'm aiming high, I'm aiming at his hat. I don't give a fuck, I'm trying to get that nigga whack. I know he's scared, cause he gon' snitch, cause he a fucking rat. Hey, how you supposed to be a gangster?
Oh, that boy out here making a whole diss track, cause he talking about a rap.
Like how all you niggas gonna tell and try to be a gangster? Like you can't do that, nigga. Yeah.
Hey, bro, that was a banger. That boy talking about taking somebody's chain, calling somebody a rap, bro. It's a banger. Come on, let's get that boy being a banger. Stop playing. Alright, listen, I don't know what number we on, like I said the first time, but listen, this is our last rapper for the day. Like I said, if I didn't get to you today, bro, don't get mad, bro. This is nothing but part 3, my nigga. God damn, bro, listen. Nothing but part 3. You can get another chance in part 4 or part 5 because new video coming out next week. I ain't make it yet though, but send me your song. Instagram. Also, make sure you follow me. Share this video on your Instagram story. Tell people to watch this video because they might like your song. Come on, let's get it, bro. Okay.
Big one. Pop you a bitch. TSK niggas, y'all some
Okay.
bitches. Jamari, Kavion, y'all bitches.
Wait, he made this another diss track?
See one of y'all niggas, I'm blowing through y'all shit. Better keep your tech on you, little nigga. Gang.
Damn, Nico, you made
Mari, you a fucking bitch. You was dissing on the net. I got gloss up in the spot. Hit Kavion next block. You was talking shit and your brother got hit. Q, you a little bitch. Didn't you get jumped too? Fucking on your bitch. We was fucking on the floor. I was fucking on Nisha when she was a hoe. And she was dating you too. Was texting me on IG. Talking about I'm a bae and she really need me. Oh wait, Trinity was really texting me too. She talked about she wanted me when she had to. I guess your dick just wasn't even good enough. I was hearing rumors about you little niggas. Yeah, BGK gon' keep you dropping hits back to back with a chopper. Gotta keep me. You talking this shit like your brother didn't get hit. Like I didn't full Anisha from the back. Yeah, she got hit. Hold on. Last time that I checked, CJ ass got hit.
Who got hit?
Well, Reed said he did.
Who did it?
And James can't be talking either, cause I fucked his bitch too. Then we hit
Damn,
him with
y'all
the
making a
Glock.
whole diss track, bro. Hold on, break, bro. Hold on, bro. Y'all boys making this track, bro. Hey, y'all boys going crazy, but listen though, bro. About this song, what I can say, bro, my boy, you need to put your vocals up because I can't barely hear you. I'm just vibing to the beat. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. But anyways, the way I can rate this song, the beat, it's a banger, but I can't hear you, so I can't rate this song like that. But next time, my boy, if I get back to you, what we're trying to do, put your vocals up. Make your vocals higher than the beat. Don't make them too high now, but the beat, it's a banger. But anyways, bro, that'll be the rest of this video. Like I said, if I didn't get to you, bro, part 4 is on the way next week, bro. Come on, stop playing with me, bro.